education journey of Kendriya Vidyalaya AFS Samana. On 12th March 2024, Kendriya Vidyalaya AFS Samana entered a new phase of excellence. The school was recognized as a PM Shri school. This recognition was not just a title. It was a commitment toward quality education, innovation, and holistic development. Within 1 year, a visible transformation can be seen across the campus. From infrastructure to academics, from innovation to inclusion, growth is evident in every corner. Kendriya Vidyalaya AFS Samana strengthened its learning environment. Smart classrooms have enhanced digital learning. LED lighting has improved energy efficiency and visibility. New furniture has improved comfort for students. The library now offers dedicated reading spaces. The campus reflects cleanliness, discipline, and modern aesthetics.
Hi, in our school, we learn with activities and games. It makes study easy and interesting.
For students of classes 1 to 5, teaching learning materials have been introduced to strengthen foundational skills. Jadui Pitara supports joyful and activity-based learning. Specialized FLN training ensures strong literacy and numeracy foundations. Learning is now more interactive and concept-based. Science and mathematics education have been enriched through structured initiatives. Science circles and math circles promote analytical thinking. Laboratories have been upgraded with modern equipment. Robotics and sensor kits are being used in artificial intelligence exhibitions and learning activities. Innovation is encouraged at every level.
Hello, in our school, we use robotic kits to make projects. It helps us understand technology in a practical way.
Reading Promotion Week encourages the habit of reading among students. Expert mentoring sessions guide students academically and professionally. Career counseling provides clarity and direction. Competency-based assessments focus on understanding rather than rote learning. The school believes in holistic education. National days are celebrated with pride and unity. Cultural programs nurture creativity and confidence. Sports activities develop teamwork and discipline. Annual Day showcases talent and achievement. The school also organized a vibrant Bal Mela, where students displayed creativity, innovation, and entrepreneurial skills through stalls, models, and performances. Badless Days promote experiential learning beyond textbooks. Grandparents' Day was celebrated to honor the wisdom and blessings of elders, strengthening emotional bonds between generations.
We enjoyed Bal Mela and Grandparents' Day in our school. It made me proud and happy.
Parent-teacher meetings strengthen collaboration between school and families. Community participation programs build social responsibility. Cybersecurity awareness programs prepare students to be safe digital citizens.
Environmental sustainability is a key focus. Kitchen, herbal, and medicinal gardens have been developed. A drip water irrigation system ensures efficient water usage. A composting facility turns organic waste into compost. Swachhta Pakhwada and cleanup drives promote cleanliness and responsibility. Colorful dustbins promote proper waste segregation across the campus.
In our school, we plant trees and keep our campus clean.
Health camps are organized regularly for students. Adolescent girls programs provide awareness and support. Special self-defense training sessions were conducted to empower girls with confidence and safety skills. Aids and appliances are provided to CWS and students to ensure inclusive education for all. Strong safety and security measures maintain a secure and supportive environment.
The self-defense training helps us feel confident and strong.
To extend learning beyond the classroom, educational exposure visits for students. Exposure visits helped bridge the gap between theory and practice. They encouraged curiosity, critical thinking, and confidence among students. Digital TV facilities and smart classrooms enhance interactive learning. Music instruments encourage artistic growth. In just 1 year, this school has witnessed a remarkable transformation. Modernized infrastructure, stronger academics, innovative and technology-driven learning, inclusive growth for every learner, cultural vibrance, environmental responsibility. What was once a strong and disciplined Kendriya Vidyalaya has now evolved into a dynamic and future-ready PM Shri Kendriya Vidyalaya AFS Samana. And this journey has only begun.